Welcome to the Worldbook video tutorial on Enciclopedia Estudiantil Hallazgos, called EEH for short. EEH is Worldbook's beginning Spanish language reference site, designed especially for students grades K through 4, as well as older students and adults picking up Spanish. EEH features a wealth of engaging Spanish language content, rich media, and interactive learning tools. Finding encyclopedia articles is easy with powerful search and browse functions. Let's begin by taking a look at search. There is a spelling autocorrection feature that will return valid search results even if the search term is misspelled. 5 search results are displayed per page. Under Más información, or more information, you can see the search results broken out into content types: Articulos, or articles, fotos, or pictures, and mapas, or maps. Click on any of these to narrow your search results. Let's take a look at the article on Australia. In the article, a tools box, or herramientas, contains options to print, imprimir, email, or save, guardar. The email and save functions offer a choice of 2 formats: PDF or HTML. At the upper left of the index column is Contenidos del artículo, or article contents. You can use any of these links to jump to a section in the article, for example, the population of Australia. Media such as images, sounds, and maps are embedded directly in the article. Tables display statistics and other information at a glance. At the bottom of the article page are links to related EEH articles, a link to the Worldbook Kids article in English, and the citation in MLA format. The search box is located in the upper right corner of article pages, enabling you to easily find additional content. Beneath the search box are links to A to Z Browse and Demos un vistazo, a subject browse feature. These are prominently displayed on the home page as well. Browse the collection of articles using the A to Z Browse feature. Simply click on a letter to browse the collection of articles that begin with that letter. Go to Demos un vistazo to browse articles by subject. The main categories include gente, or people, plantas y animales, or plants and animals, lugares, or places, historia y gobierno, or history and government, ciencias y matemáticas, or science and math, artes, or the arts, religiones del mundo, or world religions, and deportes y pasatiempos, or sports and hobbies. Click on any of these to view subcategories. For example, to look at articles about famous explorers, select People, Biographies, and then Explorers. Periódicos del mundo hispánico offer web links to newspapers in Spanish and English from Spanish-speaking countries around the world. Access Worldbook's visual dictionary from the upper right corner of the home page. Explore diverse themes such as the human body, architecture, and astronomy. Choose a theme by clicking on an image in the circle of categories. Continue to refine your search by clicking on more specific categories. Content pages help vocabulary stick by combining colorful, powerful imagery with labels that define key features. Toggle between English and Spanish, and return to previously visited pages using the easy breadcrumb navigation. Click on the home icon to return to the home page of the Diccionario Visual. Worldbook's World of Animals, or Mundo de Animales, offers a fun way to research and compare your favorite species. Browse the animals by clicking on the arrows to the left and right of the screen, or select a filter to view animals by category. To select an animal, click on its picture. Link directly into the article, or click on an animal's exhibit to display quick facts and images. Just like a visit to the zoo, you can learn all about an animal by visiting its exhibit. Quick Facts offer the top school report topics, including size, number of offspring, life expectancy, diet, habitat, and natural predators. View colorful and exciting images to learn about the animal's appearance. You can also compare animals side by side. Choose your first animal and select Compara Animales to receive a prompt to select the second animal. Once you've chosen your animals, click on Compáralo ahora. The World of Animals comparison mode displays animal facts and images side by side. Quantitative information is displayed in bar format. Find interactive activities for students under Actividades. Activities include brain teasers, puzzles, and hands-on projects. Click on Enséñelo for educators' activity guides in English. Enséñelo teacher guides contain objectives, materials, National Content Standard correlations, and assessment rubrics. This concludes the video tutorial on Enciclopedia Estudiantil Hallazgos.